Hello students, now we do the two important generalization, two important questions, you can say you important topic कि why about the ionic radius. First is why radius of positive ion say cation is always smaller that of the parent atom. Second is why the radius of the negative ion say anion is always larger than the parent atom. कि why size of cation is smaller and why size of anion is larger. So these are the two important generalizations about the ionic radius. So we discuss one by one. Here we discuss first generalization. Size of cation is smaller than parent atom. I can explain you with the help of example of a sodium. In case of sodium, it has atomic number 11 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Okay, and you can also 28. You can also write 281, 281. But when sodium ion loses its electron, it become cation, and when it loses its electron, and we know that's atomic number contains equal number of electrons. Means अगर इसका atomic number 11 है तो it contains 11 electrons. But when sodium loses its electron, here is a number of electron is 11 and here number of electron is 10. ठीक है. As a result, effective nuclear charge per electron increase, and as a result electron is more tightly held by nucleus. Therefore its size goes on decreasing. So in this way its size goes on decreasing. Here is the effective nuclear charge means number of proton. Can also if first 11 proton attract 11 electron, there is force of attraction is equal. But here 11 proton attract 10 electron in case of sodium and in case of sodium ion. So 11 proton attract 10 electron. As you can see, there is more attraction by protons on electron. So the electrons are more tightly held by the protons. As a result, the force of attractions become strong and the size become decrease. So size of cation is smaller than size of parent atom.